and Z coloring zone.
Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to my H and Z coloring zone. Today we are going to learn 1 to 10 counting. So let's start. Yay, so nice. Green color, brown color, red color, yellow color. So let's start. 1. Green color, 1. Green color, 1. 1. Green color, 2. Green color, 2. Wow! 1, 2. Green color, 1, 2. 3. 3. Green color, 3. Green color, 3. Yellow color, 4. Yellow color, 4. 5. Yellow color, 5. 6. 6. Yellow color. Red color, 7. Red color, 7. Red color, 8. Red color, 8. Now you tell me, what's the next number? Yeah, it's 9. Yes! You are so genius. Wow! Beautiful. You are so nice. Thank you so much. 10. 10. Wow. It's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! Thank you, kids.